If you ever wanted to learn how to knit but you're not sure how to get started, then this video is for you. Today Hi friends, my name's Lisa from the K4 Project. If you've ever wanted to learn how to knit but you're not sure where to get started, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly what kind of yarns and needles to get so you can start knitting with confidence without spending a lot of money. So let's get started. Today we're going to go into Michael's craft store because that is the biggest craft store that hopefully you have nearby. If you haven't been here before, it's like a candy store for crafters. These are all really pretty, but we're not looking for things that have sparkles. In this aisle, it's a lot of loops and threads, which is Michael's brand. So it's often going to be stocked well with a lot of colors to choose from. And what I am going for is the loops and thread impeccable yarn. And I'm going to be looking for a light color. So here we've got loops and threads. It says impeccable. And then if you look at this label, it's really important to learn the label. Beneath the QR code are these symbols down here, and what you're looking for is this symbol of the skein of yarn that says number 4, and that means that it's a medium weight yarn. So whatever yarn you get, look for the number 4 on the skein, because that's the size yarn that's best to learn from. This is a bulky yarn, and I know it's not going to be number 4, but if you're just learning, you might not know that. So you look on the label, and you look up, there it is. You look for that little skein, and here it says it's jumbo with a number 7 on it. So you know not to use that. That's just not going to help you learn. What else do we have? We've got this thin yarn here. Now, this does say number 4, that it's medium, and that would normally be good, and you can use that, but I recommend using something that's a little more forgiving than a chenille yarn. Look for something that's acrylic, just to start with. I highly recommend Impeccable. It's going to be at Michael's. You will not fail. Another acrylic yarn you can use is this yarn here. It's called Soft Classic. It says acrylic. So you're looking for an acrylic yarn. Again, number 4, medium. Okay, now that we've found our impeccable yarn, and we've picked a light color, like light blue, here's a gray, and off-white. I wouldn't use a white because you want to be able to see the stitches when we're working on this. Just a lighter color. Blues are easy to see, or grays. So the next thing we need to figure out is the knitting needle. So going back to this label of the medium weight of number 4, just to the right of that is going to be the recommended knitting needle size. And on here, you gotta look hard. You might need to bring glasses like I do. It's saying US size 8. And what that says is that if you use that knitting needle, that if you knit a swatch that's with 18 stitches and 24 rows, it should create 4 inches by 4 inches. And we'll get into swatches at another video. But for right now, you're looking for the knitting needle size 8. Okay, next to the yarn aisle will be the tools, your knitting needles. And they come in metals, which are clanky and slippery. But I prefer wooden needles, in particular these bamboo needles by Clover. And here at Michael's they come in two different sizes. The lengths are 13 inches or 9 inches. And since we're just starting on a small project, I would go for the 9-inch needles. And we're looking on the top, you're going to see different sizes. This is number 9, number 10, number 10 and a half, but we're looking for 8. There it is. Okay, so number 8, which is a 5mm and a 9-inch clover, and these are wooden. So they're gonna make it quiet and easy to work with. So far we have $6.99 for the needles. And then how much are we paying for the yarn? $4.99. Okay, now that you have your yarns and your needles and you purchase them by signing up to the Michaels app or finding coupons, one more trick you might find if you're trying to save a little money when getting your supplies is to order the yarn and the needles online through the Michaels website, because they often have coupons to save like 20 or 30% off your total order online, and then you can just pick it up at Michael's so you don't have to pay for shipping. Okay, I hope this video helped you in figuring out what yarns and needles to get. The next video I'll make is going to be how to begin, how to cast on your stitches and make your first rows. Okay, I hope this video helped you figure out what yarn to start with and what knitting needles to buy when you're first starting out. Let me know if you found a different yarn that you prefer to use, and let me know what you want to learn in knitting, because I'm here to help and I can't wait to get started with you. So our next video will be on how to use that yarn and your needles to cast on your first stitches and knit your first row. And if this video did help you, I hope that you can like it for me to help my channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning about knitting. Until then, thanks for watching.